We're speaking now with Mark Galardo, VP Network Planning at Air Canada. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me before the event this morning.
It's a pleasure, and thank you for being here today. Great day for us.
So, a year ago, Airbus had the 220 event, and you were, for me, the shining role for that event, and talking about the disruptive planning and potential of the 220. How has your thinking or planning evolved since then?
I would say it's right on the mark with what we said. We always believed since the day that we said this airplane that there was no comparison to any other aircraft today, and the A220 was going to allow us to do some things in the North American market that no other airplane could allow us to do. And if you look at the routes we put on the map a year ago, some of them are going to have been announced and will start in May of next year. And with this aircraft, there's many new routes that we can consider to launch. Again, we believe that only this aircraft could make a lot of these routes profitable for us. And over the next year or so, we're going to reveal our true wish list of routes that will materialize as a result of this aircraft.
So one of the things that I found very interesting is, I don't think it was necessarily you that was the source, but somebody at Air Canada referred to the 220's potential range payload as disruptive like the 787.
Well, it's not necessarily, the range payload of the aircraft is quite good, because when we look at the aircraft that it's replacing in the Air Canada fleet, the Embraer 190 or the Airbus A320, the A220 range is better than this aircraft. It doesn't really have 787 type of range. It's really a continental North American aircraft, but it's got those economics, right? Those economics that the 787 disrupted the market with those types of economics. We see the same thing with this airplane. So what this is going to allow the industry to do is create a lot more new city pairs that today current aircraft can't make viable.
Right, so like you've used the 787 internationally
to start new routes, same thing.
Right, across the Pacific, across the Atlantic. The way I understood that statement was that the 220 going south, so to speak, could reach anywhere within the US and connect traffic over Canada to Pacific and Europe.
Absolutely. And as you know, the US is the most important market in the world, the most lucrative market in the world. And for us, the Canada-US market is quite a large market. It's a growth market for us. So this aircraft is going to exploit all those opportunities for us.
Any thoughts on the potential of, for example, you have a premium cabin, you have a very nice cabin. If you can grab somebody in a secondary US city for an international leg over, let's say, a US airline that doesn't fly something with the same kind of cabin service. So really there's a potential to grab yield right deep in across the US, right?
Absolutely. And for us, like, give you an example, a route like Seattle to Montreal, the Embraer 190 didn't have the range or the product to exploit that route feasibly. So again, with 220, we're able to do that and connect a lot more traffic over our Canadian hubs.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.